You won't be able to set up parental control on your smart TV or in mobile if you won't follow these steps till the end. So let me tell you how to follow these steps one by one. First of all, right now I am following this step and showing on your smart TV. And after that, I will go with the mobile and show you there how to set up your parental control for your child. So let's start. So as you can see right now, I am on my smart TV and I have opened the Google app. Now you can see that I have already logged in my Gmail ID, which is I have created my child account under it. So you have to log in that same email ID which you have created your children's account. So first of all, you have to click on that icon. As you can see, here is my email ID, and you have to click on that manage your Google account. So on the left side, as you can see, there are some options like home, family, payment and subscription, profile, personal info, security and sign in, Google password, linked app, data and privacy, people and sharing, and account storage. So you have to click on the family option on the second one. So click on that. Once you click on it, as you can see, here are my profiles which I have created my account under it. So you have to click on that account of your child which you want to enable the parental control. So let me show you the option how to do that. So now I'm taking one of my account. You have to click on that as it is as I'm showing. Now you have to click on the family link. So now you have reached to your child account. As you can see, there are account settings showing on the middle of the screen. So you just need to tap on that account setting. Now click on tap. Now scroll it down at the bottom of the screen. And here you see that account data setting. Now you have to click on that. Now here you can see that there is option allow your child to change these settings. If you want to allow your child to change the setting, you can enable that. Or if you don't want to allow, you can disable that. Okay. So here is now another option which is web and app activity. You just need to tap on it. Once you click on it, so here are some options which you can allow or disallow. So you can turn on the app activity if you want to allow to save your activity on Google site or app. So you can make it turn it on, or otherwise you can leave as it is. Or there are some sub settings like prom history or another voice and activity. If you want to enable that, you can click on it. Or if you want to auto delete, you can tap on the auto delete option. If your child is watching any of content, there will be the history available over there. You just need to tap on it and it will allow you to delete either of 6 months or 3 months, depends on the browsing. Now go back. Now another option which is YouTube history. Just tap on the YouTube history. So here is the option. If you want to allow YouTube to save your child history, you can click on turn it on. It is by default off. If you want to turn it on, you can click on it. And there are some options which is also available, like include the YouTube videos that you watch, or searches in YouTube. Or if you want to include YouTube voice and audio activity, you can save it, or either you can remain turn it off. So here now is another option which is play personalization. You just need to click on that. So here is another option which is personalization in play. So if you want to allow to save your YouTube play history, then you can turn it on. If you don't want to allow that, keep it remain as it is. Now go back to the another option. So here now is another option which is play history. YouTube will save your play history of your child. If you want to allow it, you can simply turn it on by tapping on that. You just need to tap on it. It is the option of turn it on and don't turn it on. If you want to do that, you can click simply on. If you don't want to do that, just keep remain as it is. And also it will keep your information like your child activity and also the app uses, as you can see that. Now move to the next control. So here is another option which is personalized recommendation in search services. So tap on it. You can allow to shopping and dining, news articles and feeds, and autocomplete search suggestions. If you want to open that feature, you can simply turn it on. If you don't want, keep it remain as it is. Now move to the next feature. So here is now the most important feature which is search services history. So click on that. So it is the history of whatever the services used by your child, and you can check it out. And if you want to turn it on, click on that. If you want to delete the activity of more than 18 months, 6 months, anything, then you can delete on it. You just need to simply tap on that, and it will ask you to delete, like as you can select according to the months. Like as here, you can click on that, like 3 months, 18 months, or 16 months. Now you can click on it, click on the next, and it will get deleted. So now move to the next feature. So here is another option, which is child info from devices. So if you want to save this information about your child contacts, so you need to sign in your devices. It will automatically save the contact. If you don't want to do it, then keep it remain as it is. So here is now another option which is most important, which is app info from devices. So click on that. So here is it is the option which is save installed app information when you signed in your devices. So it will basically take your information like name, version of the app from your Google account. So if you want to enable that, you can do it. Otherwise, you can remain as it is. So now here is another option. You can see that on the left side, which is parent access code. So let me show you what it does. So here is this password which you can use to unlock your child device, and you can remove their account. You can edit the daily limit or downtime, and block any app, and many more features are there. So you can read it in detail. So here are we have discussed all the steps of parental control in detail one by one. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like the video, and follow for more videos. See you in next video.